Cause I'm from the Bay, rich rolling all day. Cause I'm from 7-1 GC. Y'all already know. A-Trey GC. You already know it's the mostin'. West coastin'. Head back to Oakland with a G stay. You already know it's murder nigga in the hallway. To the East Bay, Cheese Bay, where we staying. You know, it's no playing. If I was a bus, no gaming. No explaining. To, neighborhood CCs is the she's. For she's. Graduate wizards, for she's. Put 22s up in they hosiery. Up in they hosiery. On Hoover G. You already know it's these niggas can't see. You already know back to Mississippi where we stay. Murder nigga in the hallway. Back to they hosiery. Back there, got the hose on me. Got the Glock on me. You already know it's to the Oakland streets. The money can't be seen. 22s up in they hosiery. Got the hose on me. Nigga got the Glock on me. Nigga don't diss Nellas. Cause you know we already tell us. You already get the mellas. You already know niggas ready fellas. The hellas. Just the mellas. Don't tell us. Hit the mall, cuz. Got a ball, cuz. Hit the mall, what? Them niggas A's in the fashion. Talking nigga no lacking. Lift up my shirt so you bitches see the A and the gray. Hoover G. Don't forget about nigga. 40s where we stay. Yeah. On great. Tell a nigga we're a bitch nigga ain't. Make a nigga faint. MVP Gangsta Crib. Talking about this pistol ain't it? Pistol with his wig. On Hoover G. We done already started. Mind to get this beat retarded, nigga. Hit the mall, nigga. Got a ball, nigga. And don't diss Nellas. She Mellis. You already tell us. Hit the mall, cuz. Got a ball, cuz. Hit the mall, cuz. Got a ball, cuz. Hit the mall, cuz. Got a ball, cuz. And hit the malice. These niggas already tell us. The pain with the pill done started. Got to hit this beat, motherfucker retarded. Beat. Beat this numb. Beat this Uzi out. Hit this Glock out. Hit the mall. Nigga got socked out. Nigga hit the dash. The motors of the swoop gotta scoop it real fast. While I'm driving with the brakes out. Nigga, no money route. I'm on a cash route. Money bag out to the fullest. So you know I keep it bullet. Like Nipsey. Check my money bag out potentials, nigga. With no whistle, nigga. Sometimes it's gotta give people like a whistle, nigga. Cash money like a whistle, nigga. To your tissue, nigga. Put the word out. Oh, great, nigga. We already got the word out. Like Tupac, I'm an Oakland nigga. So you wanna keep back? Gotta peep this. I wanna street this. Fuck my enemies for show. Nigga. And you already know it's Rich Road. But I got a T-hat. So this shit ain't gonna be that. Hit the line. Hit the West Block. 9th Street Hustle Gang where I started. C-Dank, gotta hit this beat retarded. Hit the mall where I started. Got a ball, cuz. Hit the mall, cuz. Already started. Gotta hit this beat retarded. The mall hit the brakes, cuz. When I hit the mall, cuz. Doing donuts in the mug. Gotta hit this stupid beat, what? Hit the mall where it's at. 7 foes to be exact. 5 dudes, 8 tray, 107. Those get 11 dudes. Those get about the 207. Put it where it ain't. Make it bitch niggas faint. Where it ain't. Got the dank. Where the mall at? Where the balls at? To the balls at? To the balls at? Where the ball at? So Creeper, where you at? Just think that. Never to keep a drink back. Don't ever make your margaritas a license where you think at.